intersection and block the road. Really?
Sit down, dude. You alright?
Really?
You okay, man? Are you okay? Hey!
I'm fine. I'm totally fine. Why would you sit in the intersection
dude.
and block the
I was
intersection?
trying to get out. I was trying to get out.
You saw me coming and you moved.
Oh, wow. I let off the clutch. Oh, wow. You got a phone? Oh, wow, dude.
I'm sorry I hit your car.
You're all right, dude.
Why would he sit in the intersection? I have it all on camera.
You have been. Oh, okay.
I mean,
Yeah, he was sitting in the intersection. You went by him.
I went by him because I saw a gap. You know, it's a green light. I'm supposed to have the right of way. Number 2. Accident number 2.
Look where your tires hit my car.
Accident. That's my second accident.
Boom, dude. I was sitting there. I was like, oh shit, watch this guy get hit.
This is my second accident.
He spun. He was spinning as he hit me. I was like, holy shit.